Yeah, say cheese to the millions of people that will be watching you on this YouTube video.
So you've got to do the retraining.
Yep. This is my snowbird friend back from Ohio. Alright, here we are on the upper reaches of the Alafia, I'm going to say, because I think that's how they say that around here. This is a really pretty place. There was a put in and a place to park. Easy put in, easy place to park. And this is in the Alafia State Park, right?
Yes.
I want to say Alafia, but I think it's Alafia. And I was going to do live bait fishing with night crawlers video, but there are no night crawlers. so we're going to do a knot catching with artificial bait video. And maybe we'll have a getting eaten by alligator video. Because they're supposed to be up here.
Seem to subside.
You sure that wasn't your stomach? Did you eat breakfast this morning?
I did. And you know, I haven't seen any drag tracks or anything on the shore.
Well, anyway, really pretty place. We're going to paddle upstream, see what happens. Here's one. He just went down. There was one right there, Stan. Look at that big alligator. Well, that's a big one. I don't know if I want to mess with him or not. Where are you, Stan?
What are you seeing up here?
Damn alligators, boy, there's a big one right there.
Well, I couldn't understand anything you said.
There's a big alligator right there.
I hear you now. When you were around the curve, I couldn't understand you.
Do you see him?
No, I don't see him.
He's in the water right out in front of me.
You're, oh, I see him. You want me to go first to scare him?
If you want to, take off.
You could do slap the water once with your paddle.
What YouTube channel did you see that on?
The one I made.
This dude.
There was a guy with a shark chasing him in a kayak out in the ocean, and he kept slapping the water and slapping the water and paddling fast, and that thing just continued to follow him. You see that video?
No, I'm thinking alligators right now. Look at that dude.
Okay. No, you were way ahead of me around the corner. And
Oh, that's not as big as I thought. I thought that was his whole head. I mean, that one's big enough to bite you good, but that's not his whole head.
see, you're lower to the water than I am too, so he could come up on the bank pretty easy on your place.
You mean come up in the boat and get me?
Sure. You look nice and tender.
I am tender and tasty. I don't know, that's pretty good size. Look at that mother. Went down. He's going down under your boat.
I hear you.
Maybe that's what you heard. A real pretty place. Somebody needs to de-alligator that. You're slapping the water, he's gonna think you're a beaver and come get you. That's what beavers do, slap the water.
I don't think he lives with beavers. This close to the water's edge. The roots in the water.
Well, this was a real pretty place through here, but it is not a place to fish. I mean, in a normal body of water like this, you would see some brim or some bass fry or something swimming around. Here, I have seen nothing but some kind of species. I don't know what it was. They were just hundreds of them jumping. But anyway, this was a real enjoyable paddle. So if you want to get outside and do some paddling, this would be a good place for it. But don't come here to catch supper, because you're not going to catch it.